In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WhatsApp chat to Squarespace. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clickable WhatsApp chat button on your Squarespace site so visitors can reach you instantly. You'll need access to your Squarespace website and a WhatsApp number you want messages to go to. We'll be using Elfsight, a trusted service that provides a ready-made WhatsApp chat widget, so there's no heavy coding required. First, head over to Elfsight. On their dashboard, look for the WhatsApp chat app. If you're new to Elfsight, you may be asked to create an account or sign in. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Elfsight's interface is straightforward, and once you're in the WhatsApp chat app, you'll see a live preview of the widget on the right and customization options on the left. Next, create your WhatsApp widget and copy the link or installation code. Set the phone number where you want to receive messages, choose the button style and position, and customize the greeting text that appears to your visitors. You can also tweak colors to match your branding and, if available, set display rules like showing the chat on specific pages. Use the preview to make sure everything looks the way you want. When you're happy, save your widget and copy the installation snippet or shareable link provided by Elfsight. Keep it handy, you'll paste it into Squarespace in a moment. Now, go to your Squarespace site and enter edit mode. Navigate to the page where you want the WhatsApp chat to appear. Many people choose the homepage or a contact page and click edit so you can modify the content. Decide where the chat should sit visually. Most sites keep floating chat widgets anchored to the bottom corner, so adding it anywhere on the page will still produce a floating button once the code runs. Finally, in a text area or section where you can insert blocks, open the editor and add code. In Squarespace, the easiest method is to insert a code block. Open that block, make sure you're in HTML mode, and paste the Elfsight code or link you copied earlier. Apply or save the block, then save the page. Use the site preview to confirm the WhatsApp button appears. Test it on desktop and mobile to ensure the chat opens correctly and the greeting looks right. If the widget doesn't show up, double-check that you pasted the full code and that your plan allows adding custom code. Once it's visible, you're all set. Your site visitors can now message you on WhatsApp with a single click.